Hello and welcome to this section on more Xamarin.Android basic UI. First, you're going to learn about radio buttons, radio groups that hold radio buttons, and I will give you your first introduction to the log debugging functionality inside of Android. Then I'll show you how to use toggle buttons, including all of the events associated with those. We'll look at spinners. For example, in the picture you see there, they allow you to select a drop-down list of items. Then I'm going to give you a task, which is to create the app that you see there. The app allows you to select Italian or French food from a drop-down list according to which radio button you've selected. A toggle button at the top allows you to turn on and off the whole display as well. So in the course of that, you're going to learn about visibility as concerns Android layouts. Finally, I'm going to give you the solution as I see it for that problem.